Testing. Testing audio. Testing. All right. So I just thought I should record this. I'm just testing the new Claude 3.5 that was released with computer use features. So if you don't know, Claude 3.5 was just released by Anthropic, and it has pretty interesting features. One of the new features is computer use. So essentially, this takes control of your computer's input devices, right? Like, so until now we were able to access AI via chat windows or APIs, but this is, I think, the first time where AI can, go out of the browser scope and can actually access things on your computer. That can be files, that can be input devices, different softwares, things inside those softwares, so like, your Word or Excels and all that. So I thought, like, let's quickly try it out. So I just like signed up for Anthropic, purchased some credits, and I set up this Docker container, and inside this Docker container, it's running a virtual machine basically, and I'm accessing this virtual machine using basically a browser based remote desktop connection essentially. So yeah, I just put some credits in there so to try it out. So as you can see, this is the workspace that I have access to. It has terminal, it has Firefox, and all, like, very simple tool. It's like a very minimal thing, and because this is like a pretty scary demo if you think about it, right? Like, AI is going to access our computers, so it's best to not run this directly as part of your actual computer. So this way, because I'm running it as part of a container, it essentially can only do stuff inside that container, and my data or anything on my computer is secure and AI doesn't have access to it. And actually Claude recommends that you don't do this directly now. It's on their GitHub page actually. If I were to go to GitHub, Anthropic, so these are like, there are many quick start demos here. This is their main GitHub profile, and if you see here, right, this is the computer use demo. So I'm essentially running this demo on my local right now. You can see that this is a Docker container. You just need a Anthropic API key to run this. You can also run this on Bedrock or Vertex. That's the Google Cloud. And I think there are ways to run this on AWS as well. But yeah, I mean, I think this is the most simplest one. So I just set this up using Docker, and yeah, like I said, I signed up for an Anthropic API key, added some like credits. I think I just added like $4 or $5 worth of credits. I actually want to see how much how much credits I burn. So yeah, so I have like some simple demos in mind that I want to run. I don't want to like create content and stuff because this is like pretty interesting. So what I plan to do is essentially, you know so on our excellent.com website, right, we have like different pages. There are certain pages where we have like, let's say, digital experience platforms, for example, right? And I think there is a way to set up meetings or access calendars of people or something. So let me just see if that still exists or it has gone away. Actually, I'm sure there are certain pages where, oh yeah, here it is, right? So there are widgets like this where I can set up meetings and whatnot. So let's see if Claude is able to do all this directly. So I'm going to say that you have access to Firefox browser. Use this. Actually, you know what? Let's directly say visit excellent.com. Let's see what happens. So yeah, this is like completely brand new demo. Earlier I just typed hello, and I wanted to live stream this to see what happens. So I can record all my mistakes as well as we go along. Let's see how far we get. So here, because this is a pretty helpful window, it kind of shows what tools it's using, so you can see it's screenshotting, and you might hear some weird noise like ticks coming along. So I think it's making a noise every time it's doing something interesting. Like every time one step happens and it moves on to the next step, I think it's throwing like a ting, like a chime sound or something. So yeah, so far it's been able to open the browser, that's Firefox. I have not really prompted it to do that. So it's figured out that you know you can see, right, like it figured out that there is Firefox available, which is the browser. I guess it might be the default browser here, and it's navigated to excellent.com. And yeah, so far so good. So yeah, let's see. So here it's saying I can see the website has loaded successfully. Excellent is a digital agency. The page shows blah 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 blah, and all the information. Okay. So here, let's say I want to talk to Pratik, who is the director of DXP services at Excellent. But let me give it a weird prompt. Like let's say I want to connect with director of DXP services. Can I set up a meeting? So let's see what it does. So it will have to navigate different pages here to first crawl the website and understand what's possible. Let's see how much it does. Yeah, so you can see okay, it's saying I will help you find the information about connecting. Then as the next step, it says I see there's a contact us option in the menu. Let me click on that. Okay, it's clicking on the contact us, and let me scroll down to see there is a contact us form. So it kind of figured out a path of least resistance here, because it assumed that there is a contact us on every site. So it directly went to contact us. I need to accept the cookies, so you can see it's able to accept the cookies as well. So it just clicked on accept cookies. Then let me scroll back, blah blah blah. Okay, so far it's on the form. Now okay, let me give him. Okay, it's still running or no? Oh no, you have been rate limited. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Did I burn through my tokens already? Okay, let me quickly check. So no, I do have total number of request tokens as exceeded per minute rate. Okay. Okay, so there might be a per minute rate that I am burning through. I don't understand, but okay. Okay, let's try again. Can you find, let me say, instead of contact us form, can you find the director who is services. Excellent. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so you can see it's moving the cursor. What's it saying now? Yeah, it's still running. Okay, so it's again went to the home page, scroll top. Okay, so you can see it's trying to figure out. So it has, let me click on what we do section. So it's trying to open this section. Ah, okay. Oh, this is, I'm getting some weird error here. Uh, okay. Okay, let's do something else. Let's see what else can I do. Create a C++ game of game for snakes. Let's see what it does. I think there is some issue here with the browser. I guess maybe it's hanging on the browser based tasks. Anyways, so I'm asking it to create a C++ game. I'm assuming that it might have to install a few things here, and because it has to install a few things, right, it will have to uh, I don't know, maybe install something via my terminal. So let's see if it does that. I just actually said it to create a C++ game. Maybe I should have said create and run a C++ game of snakes. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, so it's actually trying to do that. So if you see it, it will. Okay, let me actually check what this is. Why am I getting a rate limit error? Uh, Rate limits. Okay, rate limits are. Sure, I'm not exceeding this. This is interesting. So, only send and most recent images. Custom system prompt prefix. No. This is all fine. Okay. This is all a bit weird. Error code 429. Okay, what is 429? Because tokens exceeded your per minute rate limit. Okay, but per minute rate limit is still 50, and I'm not sure why it's saying this. Okay, let me try again. While this runs, actually, I want to see. No. Yeah, I think something's not right. Retry after 1 minute 5 seconds. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I think I will stop here now. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I will try to figure out what the error is and maybe do another stream soon just to play with it more. I do have some credit, so I have some balance left. I can do stuff. Okay, yeah, that's all
It's
for
one
now.
o'clock.
Thank you so much.